How to deactivate your Twitter account from your iPhone devices. Since Twitter has been converted to the X app, we will be deactivating our account through the X app. First up, as you can see on the screen, click on the X app to open the Twitter app. On the top left corner, you can see a small icon that shows your profile. Click on the icon so that it will open a swipe up that will show lots of information about your profile and settings, as you can see on the screen. Down below, you can see a section named as Settings and Support, and the first option in the section is Settings and Privacy. Click on the option and this will take you to a new page where you must click the top option, that is your account. Then click on the last option seen, that is deactivate your account. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will have lots of information on how deactivating your account will bring changes. Then click on deactivate. You will be asked to confirm your password. Do so and then click on the deactivate red button you see right there again. This will then ask for your confirmation. Click on yes, deactivate, and then your account will officially be deactivated from Twitter. You will get this information on your screen, and this is how you can deactivate your Twitter account from your iPhone devices. We hope this tutorial helped you. Keep watching for more and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.